Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dara Craft Creation. Today I will share a video tutorial on this beautiful Lippan Art wall clock. You can see this beautiful Lippan Art. So आज मैंने ये पूरा डिटेल वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर किया है and don't forget to like this video if it is useful to you and don't forget to comment it out कि आपको next कौन सा tutorial चाहिए. I will definitely try to make a tutorial on that. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So first of all, I will find out the center of this circle. So for that, I take a odd number. You can take any odd number on one side, mark it at the center, and use of this angle, you can draw one line. And same thing at other side. Take a odd number, mark on a center, and then make a angle like this. So we get our center point. Now I use this Fevicryl Mouldit clay. There is a 2 compound. You have to mix it properly in an equal portion, and then I just roll it out with my hand. I take one expired talcum powder because talcum powder expire के बाद कोई use नहीं होता, so I use it at here for the rolling purpose. You can use a sponge which give a good texture to your clay, and it will help to roll it out properly in a equal string. Like this I roll it out. So for the clay part sticking, I use these 2 glues, which is a Fevicryl fabric glue and second one is Fevicryl craft glue A+. I already draw the circle with the help of rounder according to my need. So you can draw it out with the help of rounder. Now the clay part is ready. Now I use Fevicryl acrylic color. You can also use a chalk paint color also, but I like this acrylic color. That's why mostly I use this acrylic colors. First I give a white coat of acrylic color and then I apply other colors on it. Now first coat is ready. I use now camel fabrica color. You can also use a Fevicryl color also, acrylic color, but the colors of this fabrica camel, I love it. That's why here I use this camel fabrica color. After coloring part, I decorate it with the different shape of the mirrors, and then I stick this number acrylic ring. These are the dot mandala tools. If you don't want to use it, you can use any other things like this brush pen backside. Then you can use a pencil backside, anything. For example, you can use a earbud also to do a dot. So my decoration part is ready. Now I just fit this machine in that. You can get this machine in the wall clock shop also.
So
So from the back side I insert this machine like this. There is a one bolt, you can see that there, so I fit that bolt from the upper side so it will not move anyway. Now I use this hands and fit it out. First I fit the small hand, then big hand, then second hand, like this. Tandana, our wall clock is ready. Now it's your time to recreate it. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram if you are recreating it, or you can comment it out at here also. I would love to see your creations. Waiting for your creation. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.